Hello everyone, it's your options guy. Welcome back to another video. So I'm actually excited to talk about SoFi and IPOE in this video. It's actually very interesting, and what caught my eye was basically looking at the options data. So if you guys don't know what I'm looking at, it's basically cheddar flow, and it shows you like the options that are coming in. Kind of tells you if it's bullish or bearish for the day and stuff like that. And then here it tells you like basically where the most money is going in, like for the bullish side. And then you can see IPOE is right there. And then before I get into basically what it means and everything like that, I wanted to it was just interesting because like I don't think anyone's talking about this, or I haven't seen anyone like kind of mention IPOE lately or anything. Literally the only reason why I know about this is because this caught my eye today, and these are the orders that came in today. And yeah, so basically IPOE is one of the SPAC, I guess SPACs are someone making a comeback. And the reason why this one is interesting in particular is because it has this guy I think I'm saying his name right, Chamath or Kamath. Well, I can't really pronounce his name right, but yeah, it has this guy. I think he's like a backer for or he backs Tesla and those innovative types of stocks and stuff like that. But anyway, so he basically the IPOE is the social capital Hedo Sophia Holdings. It's a SPAC that it's expected that this SPAC will merge with SoFi. And for those of you guys that don't know what SoFi is, it's not necessarily a bank, but it's kind of like a one-stop shop where it kind of gives you like, it's like within the fintech industry. Basically, it's supposed to give you like this easy to use app or software that basically lets you control your money a lot easier. Do more investing, check out your loans, kind of like a one-stop shop of like doing everything. I think they even do like some type of like credit cards as well. But it's interesting because they started doing more research, and so they have a good amount of employees. It's been a company for about like 10 years now. And basically this guy's talking about how their growth is accelerating. They had 1.8 million total unique members I think last year, and now they have around 3 million members. They have about 66% projected year-over-year growth. And the main reason why I feel like so many calls came in, premium, by the way, these are premium calls, meaning like big money is going in here. It's not like the little calls. And basically the main reason I think it's getting a lot of hype today is because tomorrow is supposed to be the merger announcement. So I think recently, I think it was either today or yesterday, it says right here, all IPO holders have the right to vote as of 4/29. Oh, okay, so it seems like the voting is happening soon, and then I think after the voting, that's when they're gonna announce if the merger is successful or not. So basically, it gives you good points right here why are investors bullish on SoFi moving into 2020 and beyond. So again, they have a projected revenue or they forecasted revenue for 2021 of 980 million, which is almost $1 billion. And if you look into IPOE, I believe its market cap is almost sitting above $1 billion right now. So it's almost like already priced in. But it doesn't have a high valuation, I think, personally. Usually with stocks, you kind of price in everything like a little bit more, like further out into the future. So right now it's like barely priced in. So if the merger does happen, I feel like it would be undervalued. And if anything, if it's going to be priced into like what it could hit, like the numbers that it could hit, like around 3.7 billion by 2025, it may be like the valuation may increase from what it is now. So that would mean it would essentially be almost double if everyone's like pricing it in like that. So right now it's around 1990, around there, just under $20. And I feel like if the merger does happen, it's gonna like possibly cause a surge. I don't know if the merger is already priced in yet, but another point that might cause a surge is because I believe the short interest is relatively high within IPOE, and there's not that many days to cover in the whole short interest situation and everything. So if all the stars align, basically, I feel like IPOE definitely might moon this week. So yeah, it just caught my eye because basically I saw like all these bullish orders coming in, and then so if we take a look here, so basically what this means is, okay, so if you just look at this, let's take a look at like the big money where it came in. So look, someone, it could be the same person or it could be different people, but they put in 2.5 million. Like these are like the amount that they paid for these calls, so around 2.5 million for these calls, and these are block types. So I think block type necessarily means like it's kind of like the big guys that are putting in these types of orders in, and they have a strike of $10 strike. So definitely super in the money, but the expiration is only a couple months away. And the next set of big orders is closer expiration and 1.8, 1.8, 1.8. So you can see right here, that's basically kind of what it is. So even after the millions, there's still like huge orders, like 500,000 tiers. So it's a lot of money coming in, and this just came in today, by the way. These are the orders for today. So it seems like there's a lot of bullish calls being purchased for IPOE based on what I see. And yeah, it could definitely like if the merger is announced, it could definitely shoot up. So yeah, so that's basically what it is. The IPOE is possibly going to merge with SoFi, and SoFi is this software that lets you, it's not a bank necessarily, but it does kind of like innovate like banking, like all on your phone in a way. And yeah, that's basically what it is. So it has high growth potential. There's definitely a lot more users, a lot more projected revenue and all that stuff. So it's looking like, in paper, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I just wanted to like make this video about IPOE because I feel like not that many people are talking about it. And if you're already in IPOE, let me know your thoughts. Let me know like what you expect to happen. Is it gonna moon tomorrow? I don't know. Or if you're not in IPOE, like are you thinking of getting in based on this video or other information you've seen? I just want to know your thoughts. I'm not a financial analyst or advisor in any way. I just want to know like what your guys' thoughts are. This is just my personal opinion of everything I just talked about. But yeah, so let me know. But based on my analysis and due diligence and all that stuff and research, it seems like this may actually do well. Like it may, if the merger is announced, this may actually moon up a little bit. I think the merger was first around January, and then I think it was around here, and then it spiked to like what, 73.30 around there. It spiked there, but now it's a little bit different because we're definitely closer to like the actual date of like if the merger is going to happen or not. And on top of that, there's like a lot of short interest. So yeah, it might be like a double whammy. But if you are planning to get in, if you're not already in and you're planning to get in, just be a little careful because I feel like it's already somewhat priced in. If we look at the RSI, for those of you guys that don't know what the RSI is, it basically tells you if something is overbought or oversold. So we're definitely on the like really close to the overbought range. So normally once you hit past this line, it comes back down and bounces down from that. So as you see here, it touched that, bounced down, almost touched it, bounced down. It basically has that pattern. So we're definitely up here. So it's already kind of like, I don't know, you're already like probably getting in a little bit too late. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I may do some plays with IPOE. We'll see. I might buy some shares or something. I don't know, just a little bit, like dip my toe in. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.